Hey, 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 it's Dr. Carmen Bryant from Overcoming Narcissist Abuse. My brothers and sisters from different mothers and sisters, I am coming back. I know you're wondering, where is she? I was just on a sabbatical. I had to take a break from December to January, but I'll be back on February 3rd at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If I'm a little late, just give me some grace because I have a meeting that I have to go to, and then I will be on Sunday of next week, February 3rd. And then on top of that, remember I told you guys I was putting together a class. And I was trying to get it together, of course, I was trying to get it together before I came on Sunday so that I can offer you guys the introductory rate before I take it back to its regular rate. And it's operating in your parental authority. We're operating in your, parental authority. I think that's what it is. I have to go back and look. But I want you guys to stay tuned. Also, you guys know I have a conference coming up in Los Angeles, California on the 29th of July. I'm going to be there. My friend Bridget Griffin is going to be there. She's a domestic violence advocate, for the Victim First program. My sister, Kathy Gibson, My Life is Intentional, is going to be there. My mom, Apostle Helen Sadler. I also have a new guest that's going to be there. Her name is Dr. Paula Tucker, and she is a researcher in traumatic brain injury. Listen, these are some of the topics that you can expect. And I want you to know, if you talk to anybody that's been to any of my conferences, you have to bring some tissue because there is healing that goes on. I'm doing things a little different. So those of you that have been VIP previously, look for my email because I'm going to be emailing you guys. See, that's what happens when you become my VIP and invest in yourself and you invest in me like that. Then you get special emails from me with introductory or discounted rates. But you guys just pay attention. I will be sending you guys an email. But this year, we're going to be talking about generational trauma. We're going to be talking about child sexual abuse, child trauma, and the developmental process. We're going to be talking about neurological damage. We're going to be talking about PTSD and complex PTSD. We're going to be talking about traumatic brain injury and its effect on the body and the neurological system. We're going to be talking about a lot of things concerning trauma. We're going to be talking about mental health issues versus medical issues. I bit my tongue saying that, but mental health issues versus physical issues, such as psychological issues versus physiological issues, like medical problems that present themselves as medical problems, but they're actually psychological problems that stem from trauma. We're going to be talking about re-victimization in the courtroom. We're going to be talking about the reactive abuse that happens when victims react to their abusers and end up in prison. We're going to be talking about grief, loss, and guilt and shame. We are going to be talking about hypersensitivity and empathy. The empath. Do not miss this event. Go to the comments section.